Good morning, student friends. Today we'll start the module 4 in which we'll study uplink transport channel processing. In the module 3 we discussed downlink transport channel processing, and now in the module 4 we'll discuss uplink transport channel processing. There is not much difference between uplink processing and downlink channel processing. That as you seeing the diagram, the top one we call it as a channel coding processing. It is exactly same as downlink transport channel processing, where we have the CRC addition, code blocks, segmentation, channel coding, rate matching, and code block concatenation. Everything is same as downlink, but only thing is there is some difference in the modulation process. In the modulation process, here the scrambling is done at the UE specific level and modulation mapper is there. Then DFT based pre-coding has to be done, resource mapping, and which will generate the single carrier FDMA signal symbols. Now looking at the downlink, comparing with the downlink transport channel processing, there we are using multi-carrier, so that's why we have number of scramblings and modulation mapper. But here, since we are using single carrier FDMA, so that's why only one scrambling and modulation mapper. That is the main difference. Now coming to the detailed explanation of that modulation process, wherein how we can generate the FDMA signal using the modulation process. So initially here the DFT based precoding is applied to the block of complete valued modulation symbols, which transform the time domain into frequency domain signal. And the output of DFT based precoding is applied to the IFFT, which will act as a resource mapping. Then the output of IFFT is applied to the parallel to serial converter along with the cyclic prefix. Then output of parallel to serial converter is nothing but our generation of FDMA signals. So this is a brief explanation about how the modulation process is generating SC FDMA symbols. So this is there. Now moving to the next part, that is uplink shared channels. We already studied the downlink shared channels and uplink shared channels. So here right now we know there are three types of channel exist: logical channel, transport channel, physical channel. Now we are in the transport channel in the uplink. So in the transport channel, uplink shared channel, how these channels are mapped to others. This is what we are telling, uplink shared channels. The uplink shared channels are mapped with the logical channels of common control channel, dedicated control channel, and dedicated traffic channel. Control channels for control information, traffic channels for user information. Then how transport channels are mapped to the physical channels, that is only one channel, that is physical uplink shared channel. So this is the brief explanation of channel mapping around the uplink shared channel.